Welcome to Home Tools Idea. Click subscribe and press the bell icon to get updates. Dear friends, are you looking for meat grinder? Now we will see best 5 meat grinder from Amazon. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon. Big Bite electric meat grinder. Total review of this grinder is 339 and people rate 4.6 out of 5. Specifications: durable body construction, can grind various types of meats faster, less noise, lifetime customer support. A CX Turboforce 3000 series electric meat grinder. Total review of this grinder is 6,181 and people rate 4.4 out of 5. Specifications: cast aluminum grinding head, easy assembly with diagram, high capacity meat grinding, the complete package for home. Please like, comment and subscribe. A CX TurboforceII Platinum grinder and sausage stuffer. Total review of this grinder is 1,084 and people rate 4.4 out of 5. Specifications: stainless steel cutting blades, 5 sizes of grinding plates, less power consumption, less weight, 13 pounds only. Sunmile SMG50 ETL electric meat grinder. Total review of this grinder is 286 and people rate 4.5 out of 5. Specifications: quick meat grinding, metal gear for durability, special internal design, easy start and assembly. Kitchener meat grinder sausage stuffer. Total review of this grinder is 90 and people rate 4.5 out of 5. Specifications: steel gear ensures durability, versatile application with easy assembly, stainless steel cutting knife, 4 stuffing tubes. Check the description box for more information about the products. Thanks for watching. Hit the subscribe button for more.